Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Daryl and this is Future Proof. In this channel, I teach you guys how to invest in cryptocurrency, how to save your buying power, most importantly, how to be profitable. In this video, guys, I have some really important information to share with you guys. I hope you guys stay and watch this video to the end. Obviously, we can see that the market is in red, but I'm not worried, and we're going to be talking about why the market is red today, what is happening in the market, and what you probably should be doing, which is probably nothing. Just chill back and wait to see what happened. All right, just joking aside, guys, there's a lot going on and I need to touch you guys on this. And also, if you appreciate that I do this, that I bring this content to you guys and I take my time to do this, please click the like button, subscribe to the channel, click the bell notification that so you can be notified when I post a video. So let's get started. As we can see, Bitcoin's in the red, Ethereum's in the red, BNB, DOT, VET, XRP, ADA, everything's in the red except for stablecoins and Doge. We're going to be talking about this. Literally on the 28th, April 28th, I posted a video. I posted this video. Not a lot of you watched it. Only 191 people watched this video. I know my channel is not big enough, but you know that the concepts I've been sharing with you guys have been extremely valuable. So I really would appreciate it if more of you actually start sharing my videos with your friends and families so that it could also profit in this market. And I want to play this video so you guys can see how I was literally telling you guys what was about to happen with Dogecoin. And if you are not riding this wave, then that's on you. Check this. One is not going to go up forever. And two, to please be careful. And three, Dogecoin is going for another pump. What I would say, yeah, and as we can see, this is when I was basically saying that at Dogecoin being at 30 cents, and now we're seeing Dogecoin touching 60 cents, basically doubling from when I mentioned that a few days ago. Now, guys, I have some really important things that I need to share with you guys on this video, and you definitely want to watch this to the end because this situation has gotten way out of hand. Like I said, I'm in Dogecoin obviously because I have a Shiba Inu, and that's why I bought Dogecoin early, and Dogecoin has made me a lot of money, but I do not believe that this coin has any strong fundamentals. But now my view is slightly starting to switch. Even though the risk now, guys, is really high. First of all, I want to tell you guys very clearly, do not go in on Doge right now. Please do yourself and your wallet a favor. Do not go into Dogecoin right now. Even though I'm going to show you guys some contrary things about what Dogecoin is doing to the market that you guys need to pay attention to. First thing that you need to pay attention to is look at this parabolic move, and Dogecoin hasn't even gone parabolic yet. This pattern to me look like Doge is going to explode, potentially skyrocketing to that $1 mark. But what I fear is that it's going to tank so fast that you might not even be able to take your profits. So I really highly suggest that if you are in Dogecoin, that you guys start trimming the tops at these levels. And this is something that I want to show you guys. This is the market cap dominance of Dogecoin. Dogecoin is stealing market cap from all of the total crypto market cap right now, especially Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a lot of other coins, which is explaining why a lot of our altcoins are in the red right now. Blame it on the Doge. People are actually selling very good projects to jump in on this Doge pump. And it shows here how Doge is literally, Doge is now over 3% of the total market cap of crypto. That's insane. And we're also sitting at number 4 in coin market cap. So that, and we're up in the past 7 days, up over 100%. Guys, this is a joke coin, and it has a 72 billion market cap, surpassing so many other projects. Right? So like, check this out right now too. And this is another thing. Do not trade crypto on Robinhood. Why would you want to trade crypto on a centralized entity like Robinhood? Doge reaches new all-time high. Robinhood crashes during coin surge. Don't trade on Robinhood. This is number one. Two, another thing to keep in mind is Now that Doge is at 70 billion market cap, skyrockets, and it's eating into Bitcoin's dominance, which is literally what I just told you guys. So what to do and what do you guys need to pay attention to? Okay. Well, for now, there's not much you can do. If you're panic selling your altcoins, you're gonna regret it. Right now, this is really one of those moments where you have to kind of sit back and watch and see what happened. Set certain stop losses in place in case this actually affects the entire market negatively. But apparently, Elon Musk is going to talk about Doge, and this formation that I'm seeing in this chart right now. You're seeing huge volume coming in. We're overbought, but we're still peaking up, making higher high on the RSI. And literally, guys, Doge could literally double in price from where it is right now. And that actually scares me because it shows you how people are willing to bet on this thing that has no fundamental properties that are anything close to solid. And other people are actually selling very solid projects to get on in this. And honestly, when this thing dumps, be prepared because your altcoins will skyrocket because Dogecoin is going to be giving back some of this dominance. All right. Me and my Patreons, we've been calling every breakout on Doge. I've been watching this at the beginning. I was saying to everyone, we're going to start with not more than $200. And a lot of the people in the group have even turned that $200 into thousands. And we're still trading this. And right now we're just kind of watching because I don't want to tell them to, and we've been trimming the top. We don't want to sell too quickly because I do believe this thing is going to go to $1. It's all psychological. The fact that we broke 45 cents at first made me realize, hey, if we broke 45, people are going to say, why can't we break 50 and why can't we reach $1? So now that we're sitting at 60 cents, guys, we're only 40 cents away from $1. That means that Doge potentially may even become the top three, one of the top three currencies right now. But we could probably see a dump before. It would probably not be a bad thing if Doge came back to retest this 40 cents mark. To be honest with you guys, that actually would probably be really healthy for Doge, even though people would panic. But this is not showing any signs of wanting to stop. And look, we had to pull back, recovered right away. So please be careful out there with Dogecoin, whoever is invested. I know I also gave you guys this and you would have already doubled your money if you actually paid attention to my videos and if you actually have the bell notification on and then you literally come check my videos as soon as I post them, you would have been in profit on this. But at the same time, I want you guys to be cautious. Now let's take a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin, after we broke out of this area that I was most nervous about, we actually went back in. And there is a lot of people talking about multiple reasons that we saw this dip. Obviously, the stock market is not doing that well right now. Ellen, which honestly, this lady just needs to shut up because she is literally trying to ruin our party. And she knows nothing about crypto. She knows nothing about anything. And she literally always wants to express her opinion, but no one wants to listen to this old lady's opinion. All right. But don't let this fear you out. I am not worried for Bitcoin and I'm not worried for Ethereum. Honestly, even if Bitcoin were to go back to 52 again, this would potentially serve again as a support for a higher continuation. This is still healthy for me. Plus, if Bitcoin continues to go down, we're close. I don't know if you guys can see this, but we're close to oversold here. So I would expect a bounce. We get a bounce every time we reach this oversold area on the RSI. But the MACD is still looking very bearish at the moment. So now let's take a look at Ethereum. Ethereum, guys, has been killing it. We've been on the rise. And it hasn't stopped now. And honestly, coming back to this level and retesting it was very healthy for Ethereum. Ethereum, guys, is going to keep outpacing Bitcoin going forward. And what you need to know to understand this is if you're looking at the chart of Ethereum against Bitcoin, we're actually going parabolic against Bitcoin. So this is actually really bullish. Look at this chart, guys. Look at this chart. Ethereum is just getting started. We could snap to 4,000 very quickly. very, very quickly. This is not financial advice. I'm just literally telling you guys my opinion. I'm not a guru. I know I've been calling so many. If you guys have been following my channel, obviously a lot of the coins that I've been mentioning have been skyrocketing, and a lot of you guys have been making crazy gains like Senso, like, and I know this, but like, I don't consider myself a guru or anything. The only reason I've been so successful at calling these coins is because I have experience, and one, being in the space for a while, two, seeing how these coins tend to move in certain cycles, and also to keep in mind that I also look at the psychology of why these prices are going up and down. And if you understand that, you have a better understanding how to trade these markets. It's all psychology, guys. People buying and selling, it's all psychology. What is going to make people scared to sell, and what is going to make people happy to buy. And most people tend to do the opposite of what they're supposed to do because they're actually trusting their feelings. And if you counter trade your feelings, that's how you're more successful. Right now, a lot of you, I bet you guys are feeling, oh man, the market's about to crash, Bitcoin's about to die again. Again, you're making the same exact mistakes every time. Look at this. We're not dying. This is just a pullback. This barely affected Ethereum. If anything, Ethereum is actually going parabolic against BTC right now. And you might see this on the chart. I've been telling you guys Ethereum was going to outpace BTC for a while now. And look at us now. This is actually very healthy for Ethereum. But what does worry me is that if Dogecoin keeps taking market cap out of all these altcoins and tanks, not only will this potentially cause all the altcoins to explode, but a lot of people are going to get burned and might be scared of getting into crypto again after that. So that's the only thing that worries me. But why is this not over? Check this. The S&P and Dow Jones launches Bitcoin and Ethereum indices. So this is mainstream adoption. This is literally the institutions coming in, big money. The levels we're at now, we may potentially never see them again in the future. This is how I felt about, for example, Uniswap. When I was telling you guys Uniswap way back then, I told you guys, hey, listen, Uni, when we take off, we may never see these levels again. And obviously, look what happened. Like I've been calling out Uniswap. I've been calling out Uniswap since under $4. I posted it on YouTube under $4. Okay, back here, and I told you guys we probably never see these levels, and we never did. We never did. It's sitting at over 10x from where I mentioned it. So this is gonna happen for a lot of your cryptocurrencies, and I don't want you guys to get scared and get kicked out of your positions because of like literally people coming out with all this FUD. Check this. Auction giant to accept BTC and Ethereum as payment via COINBASE. Open your eyes. Open your eyes. Canadian fintech firm Mogul adds $405,000 in Ether to its crypto cash. Guys, open your eyes. This is happening. Okay, this is happening. Institutions are coming in. They're buying Bitcoin, they're buying cryptocurrency, they're dipping their toes, they're buying Bitcoin and Ethereum, and they know about all these other coins, but they just can't go on them yet. As we know, there's been 3 Ethereum ETF that's been passed in Canada. Canadians are big on Ethereum. They see the potential of Ethereum. Ethereum is going to be the future of the internet. It is a supercomputer. Bitcoin has one purpose, which is sending money back and forth. Ethereum is a supercomputer for the future of our decentralized world. I am a big believer in Web 3.0, and part of my success has been because I've been following everything that has to do with Web 3.0. If you're buying coins related to Web 3.0, you will be successful. And these coins, you want to hold them until these Web 3.0 dApps are in full motion. So I really want you guys to pay attention to these. Right now, guys, do not make any rash decision based on your emotion. If your hands are itching to start selling something, do not do it. If your hands are itching to start buying, Don't do it either. If your hands are itching to do anything and you feel like you're doing anything under pressure, just do not do it. You need to have a calm mind. You need to be patient. You don't chase these pumps. Don't chase these dumps. Let them come to you. Okay? Like, be smart, guys. I really want you guys to make money in this market so that we can balance things in this world. The rich have been rich for so long, and now crypto is actually the opportunity for a lot of you guys to get even. You can do it. Like, I used to be working a 9 to 5 job, 2 9 to 5 jobs. Like, I used to be hustling my ass off, and until like kind of got into crypto, and now I feel like I'm good and I don't need to work for people anymore. And that could also be you, and anyone could do it. If I can do it, anyone can do it. In this country, the United States, I had everything against me, and I still managed to do something of myself. So I do believe that any one of you can do this as well. You all just need to do some research and get involved. Get involved in what's going on in this market. Watch what's going on. I'm telling you guys, coins that are going down right now, a lot of them have huge potential. Your Polkadots, your Cardanos, your Uniswaps, anything DeFi right now, you should be probably scooping them up on this dip, okay? But please, please, please be very careful with Doge right now. I don't know what's going to happen. I am not a psychic, okay? I'm not a psychic. I cannot, like, when I look at these charts, it's nothing that I'm predicting. I'm estimating the likelihood that something could happen versus something else and using technical analysis. This chart right now looks like it's going parabolic, okay? What to watch is you want to watch that parabolic curve, okay? You want to watch that parabolic curve. If we break out of this parabolic curve, we're going to start seeing some downside, but we're not even close to there, okay? I do think that Doge is going to touch $1, but the risk versus rewards are not worth it right now. If it goes to $1, it's just going to double your money from here. And you can double your money in a lot of other cryptos. But guys, when we do touch this $1, I do see Doge tanking, possibly coming back all the way to these levels here, maybe 15 cents, even lower, because the selling pressure is going to be real. I bet a lot of people have their sell orders set, maybe not even at $1, maybe at 99 cents. All right. So I want all of you guys to be careful. Yeah, this is all that I have for you guys. Please support the channel by sharing this with your friends and your family so they can also be profitable. It feels so much better when all your friends are making money while you're making money. Then also, if they get more knowledge about crypto, you can actually talk to them about it. The worst thing now is not knowing who to talk crypto with. It sucks. I can talk crypto 24/7, and not having someone to talk crypto sucks. So get your friends involved. This is a once in a lifetime opportunity, guys, and I don't want you to miss out. And if you do love or care for someone else, you shouldn't want them to miss out as well. Don't be greedy keeping all this information for yourself. All right. This is all that I have for you guys. Please share my channel with your friends, family. I thank you for all the supporters that's been coming on here and supporting and dropping comments below. I really appreciate that. And that's why I bring you guys these valuable content to give you a perception of what's happening in the market and how to profit from it going forward. I hope you guys appreciate this video, and I hope you watched it to the end, and I hope everybody's doing well, everybody's staying safe, most importantly, future proof.